Hey, it's Donna here, and I just thought I'd do a little vlog to let you know what sort of things I get up to here on the farm. You probably think, well, what is she doing down there all day, you know, out in the middle of nowhere? So today I'm going to show you some of the things that we get up to, and that is a bit of gardening, because as you would know, it's August, and for us here in Australia that means it's the end of winter. We're coming up to spring, and I want to get all my garden looking good with some new flowers put in, some bits and pieces here and there, which I'm going to share with you now. Okay, so we're being pretty lucky with the weather. It's about 16-17 degrees Celsius, which isn't too bad for the middle of winter, and it's the perfect day. It's not windy. It's nice and still, very sunny. So anyway, I'm in a jumper to keep cozy because I had surgery last Monday. I certainly don't want to get a chill, and of course I've got my hat on. Always got a hat on because the sun's rays here are just killadilla, and I've got my sunscreen on. Started. Pot of colour in there, dug that up in the rocks, so I've just repotted it there, and let's see how it goes. These guys watered in, and now we're going to go down to the other end of the decking, and we're going to have a little corner here, and as you can see I've already positioned some flowers that I'm going to plant in there. Okay, this one's a bit better because at least I don't have to be crawling around in the gravel getting sore knees. So have a look at what's going on here. A few dead bits and pieces. It used to be a kitchen garden, and I had a few herbs and spices in it, but they've long died off, and because we're not here all the time, it's sort of hard. Right, it's hard to keep that sort of thing going. I'm not sure what I'll do in the future. I might put it back in now, I don't know, I'll see. So the soil here's not bad. It's a fairly good potting mix. The reason why those other plants died is because they just didn't have enough water. So while we're here, and we're here for probably another 3 or 4 weeks before we go back to Wollongong, I'll make sure that I water them regularly, and then after that it'll be in the laps of the gods as to whether they survive. Hopefully they do, but you know, at least I'll get some enjoyment out of them for the few weeks leading up to us going back to Wollongong. And that's the thing, you get joy in the small things, hey. I've got a little plant still there that's struggling along, so we'll see how that goes now that it gets a bit more attention. To water those in, and the impatiens, and that's a much nicer garden for me to enjoy while I'm out here.